I think today may be one of the most exciting days of my entire life because we are starting a library guest room makeover. I'm so excited. So last year I got really into reading again, and we are turning our second guest room into also a library. And then I also work from home, so it's going to function as my office setup as well. I have been designing this room for quite a few months. And if you didn't know, we just moved into a new build home. During the building process, we had 6 months to plan pretty much what we wanted to do with all the rooms and dream up all of the fun things. And I really wanted to turn this into a room that was cozy and something that could function when guests weren't here, but also function when we had people come stay, because we really want to host and invite people into our home and have it be somewhere really cozy and fun and inviting that people can come and hang out and chill. So we have all of that in mind when designing this room. I'm super excited. Today we're getting a delivery from IKEA, and it's going to have all of our bookshelves that we are going to be using, as well as a bed situation. It's like a pull-out, not a trundle, but it's like an extendable bed that I'm really excited. I haven't seen anything like it other than at IKEA, so that'll be really fun to put together and show you guys. And I think it's going to be super functional. That was what was going to make this room work for us, as all of those things. So I'm really excited, if you can tell. And I'm gonna have a place for all of my books and somewhere to grow into. I don't have that many books, but I definitely have a good amount of books, and it's gonna be somewhere that I can grow into and start collecting all of my favorite things. So I am super excited and super thankful to be doing this. So I'm gonna take you guys along for that delivery, and then also putting them together and setting up the room, and that's gonna be our makeover part 1. And I hope you guys come back for future parts. I think we're gonna take a little bit of a break after this part, because we're also in the middle of a master bedroom makeover. So if you haven't seen some of those parts, go check them out. I think it's gonna turn out really well, and I'm excited for what is to come in this room. Okay, I'll see you guys later, I guess. Delivery received.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
Bookshelf 1 complete.
Restoring everything within. Dreamy breeze.
Okay, as you guys can see, this side is officially done. The other side is gonna look the exact same, but with 2 of these longer shelves instead of just 1. And then this table right here is going to be a sewing / Cricut table, and just kind of an extra workspace. This wasn't big enough for 2 of the longer shelves like I'm doing on the other side of the room, so I decided to add this little mini desk table in here instead.
Here we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Hey there. It is pretty late at night, and I'm pretty tired, but it is time to sort all of my books and put them on the bookshelves. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that, and I'm really excited to get them on the bookshelves. I have 2 piles here. The ones underneath the table right here are all books that I've read. And then these ones off to the side are books I've not read, and I really want a TBR shelf, so that's what I'm gonna do for sure, but I'm gonna organize the books that I have read and start putting them on the bookshelves. I'm gonna go ahead and organize by genre. Most of these are romantic. I read all of these, but I only kept one. I think I'm gonna put my fiction and romance together because I don't have very many. Okay, I'm gonna start with this bottom shelf because I know I want to put textbooks here because it's very hidden from the rest of the room. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what to do because I want to fill up the bottom of the shelves before I do the top because of the weight. And so I'm kind of thinking I might put my romantasy books on this third shelf up and put my TBR on the second shelf, and maybe use one of these smaller shelves. I don't have a ton of books right now, but a little bit at a time. That is incredibly satisfying. I currently don't own a lot of other genres that I've read, so I'm actually going to combine like my fiction, mystery, and classics onto the shelf. I also have a couple extra Bibles and Bible studies, so I'm going to put them on the bottom shelf down here really quick. I'm going to really similarly organize my TBR books into genres. I'm gonna put on my TBR right here really quick. Self-improvement TBR, so that'll go down here. All done. All right, I just wanted to show you guys some clips of the after, just so you guys can see the room more fully. I don't think I got any good clips that showed the whole room, so I will insert those, and thanks for watching. So that's all we've got planned for part one. We have the mattresses coming very soon and some other little things that we'll add before we get to part two. We'll probably not start part two until we start to build in the library, so I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but when we get there, you guys will be the first to know. So again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it.